And we have arrived at our first very own nudist beach. This looks absolutely amazing. This is located in Playa de la Punta, and these sand dunes over there are not accessible and should not be accessible. It's a protected area, and you can see there is nobody here on the beach. Only me and some seagulls. So this is the first nudist beach I visit here today in Valencia, and there will be several more along the coast, because now the coast here is without any buildings, which means it's free to be yourself and enjoy on the nudist beaches. So yes, this one is close to between Playa de la Devesa and Playa del Perellonet, which I have been visiting earlier. So yes, now I'm approaching closely to the center of Valencia. I think this one is around 16 kilometers away from central Valencia, and it looks absolutely stunning. So perfect nudist spot over here. And the sea looks amazing as always. Look at that. Look at that. That's perfect. Perfect. Perfect nudist beach on the Mediterranean Sea. Amazing. We can see also El Perellonet from the distance there. And let's enjoy a bit more of the beach. And the dunes are amazing. And here there are more larger and bigger in this area as compared to before. And this looks like also a nice beach to take a run on. It's quite the long beach over here. All right, then let's take a swim. Amazing, amazing. Playa de la Punta, nature reserve over here. Amazing. Amazing nature, amazing Mediterranean climate. Yes, today is 2nd of October. Right now it's almost 4 p.m. and 26 degrees Celsius in the air. I'm enjoying. I have stopped counting which beach it is today, but I have few more as I reach the central part of Valencia. So yeah, amazing. Let's take another swim. Beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, greetings from Playa de la Punta. Perfect nudist beach spot here in Valencia, around 15 kilometers away from central Valencia. So enjoy in this beauty and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!